Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to Bell CB. We got a Galaxy 98 VHP. This is for Mitchell right here in Florida. And let's see, Mitchell, we're going to start with the power all the way down on AM. We'll take a look over here. Got 100 watts on that scale. Power all the way down. Let me put it on the 10 watt scale. See, power all the way down is 6. Now I'll stick it on the 100 scale and bring the power all the way up. 60. And I have a 500 slug over here, so we'll be looking at right between 250, which is there, and 300 there.
Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check.
And on sideband, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And there you have it. Let's try that on the air. Breaker 19 for radio check. I heard somebody mumble out there. I guess I'll take it. Yeah, I got almost 9 pounds of noise over here. Terrible situation. Appreciate the comeback, Screwdriver. We're back out.